Liquidity definitely is pushing up markets, but we are very definitely bullish about the long-term India prospects over the next decade. So therefore, the long-term focus remains. If you look at the recent budget, definitely it's a growth-focused budget. And as of now, we feel that other than the liquidity point aside, there are enough opportunities for corporates to convert the runway of growth ahead in India into growth in earnings, and automatically growth in earnings will lead to growth in the share prices.
At Gemma, we believe that investments in equity are necessarily for the long term. We are watchful of what is happening around us, and we are cognizant of the impact of such factors on the performance of companies. But our view on investing continues to be on the basis of long term. Today, a lot of information overload comes in, and long-term views change over 2 days, 2 hours, and 2 months. We differ in our approach, and we do not give too much of weightage to what is happening on a day-to-day basis. Our view is that today, while it is very important for us to pick our stocks appropriately and with a lot of caution, markets are primarily driven by global liquidity caused by reckless printing of currency by various governments. And this is causing asset bubbles, which will result in price inflation as well as asset inflation. Stock prices are likely to continue to go up. Bubbles are meant to burst, and they will. But if you are invested in the right stocks, then you are protected from such rude shocks.